Autumn, for many, the most beautiful season. But for gardeners, it means piles of fallen leaves everywhere. Most people rake them, bag them, or even burn them. Stop right there. Those leaves are not waste. They're black gold, the secret to rich, fertile compost that can transform your garden soil. And you don't have to wait a year to get it. Here's how to make fast compost from dry leaves in just a few days. Step 1. Shred the leaves. Whole leaves stick together and block air. Shredded leaves break down faster. Run over them with a lawnmower. If it collects grass too, that's perfect. Step 2. Add the greens. Dry leaves are carbon-rich, but need nitrogen to decompose quickly. For every 3 parts of leaves, add 1 part of green material, like grass clippings, banana or vegetable peels, coffee grounds, or a little manure. This mix feeds the microbes that turn waste into compost. Step 3. Layer and moisten. Start with some twigs at the bottom for airflow, then add layers. Shredded leaves, greens, and a sprinkle of soil or old compost as your natural activator. Moisten each layer, damp like a wrung-out sponge, not soaking wet. Turn the pile once a week for oxygen, and in just a few days, you'll have dark, crumbly compost, the true black gold of gardeners. Spread it around plants, or mix it into the soil. It boosts growth, holds moisture, and revives your garden naturally.